stimulus checks came. Those $1,200 stimulus checks. Those stimmy checks came through, and I felt like I knew that was my moment to change everything. So I took that stimulus check and made $1 million in 10 months. Woo. And now it's a multi-million-dollar business.
So, wait.
Right.
Hold on. You can't just say that. So you took $1,200 and turned it into, we can say $2 million in 16 months. Jeez. So we have to unpack this because I want people to really understand like what's happening here.
Yeah.
Because I don't think people appreciate the glory if they hit the story. So when did you make that decision and what came to you to make it? Because most people, that's grocery money. That's shoes.
I know.
That's a bag.
I know.
You know what I'm saying?
I know.
So
what lines at Louis Vuitton were like around the block.
They were tripping.
So
when did you make a decision like this is my time and I'm gonna take advantage of this money now?